Hi everyone, this is Serkan from GTE Engineering. I wanted to demonstrate two rebuild clutches, one from another company and one is our rebuilded clutch set. This clutch set has been installed to a car and it couldn't even be programmed and had huge problems. The customer came to us and wanted to know what would be the problem. We inspected it, we found it, and he's going to get the right clutch. Now, beginning with the other product, what I wanted to say is this car is a Ferrari F430, and actually the clutch has been sold to them as for a Maserati to a certain year that has nothing to do with the F430, including the clamping force. When we open it up, we inspected it. The pressure plate, well, first of all, the pressure plate is for a Maserati, is not even for Ferrari, so that is totally wrong. The second thing we saw is the total thickness in the clutch disc is incorrect. The manufacturer tried to correct the differences within alterating. You can kind of see the flywheel and to downsize sort of and have it have that difference there and using it. Well, it doesn't work that way. You may think, okay, this is 10 millimeter bigger, so I take 10 off of here and I will make it match. Well, it just doesn't work that way. And this is a Pega clutch, reservice. This is a F430 clutch, and basically what I can do is, beginning with the machining, this is our machine. This clutch actually I don't think it's been machined because the facing looks literally didn't work at all, but nevertheless this is what comes out of with us, and this is what comes out of the company, other company. So it goes through a hell of a process where I don't see it in here, and as you see, we call this laser cut, and it is laser measured at cutting, and it's just as good as it can get. The stones that we're using depends on what pressure plate or flywheel we do. They're selected and from group of engineers for the material that we have. That took us pretty much a year. Nevertheless, those are the pressure plates. Wrong, right, service correct. I really don't know if it is serviced or not. The clutch discs, I wanted to show. Basically, this is product and this is someone else's product. So nevertheless, I want to start with the overall the parts, without getting maybe in too much of details. This is how it looks, a Pega clutch rebuild, and this is how it looks the other company's rebuild. And we sell ours very much, I mean, 1,000 units a year, and this is pretty much how the other company's product is. What I wish as owner of Pega clutch is that I would have good competition, and that would enhance the market and the reputation of rebuilding, but unfortunately that is not the case. I wouldn't mind being into competition with many other companies that would do this quality, where I would compete within qualities or anything else, where actually my product is for a wholesale dealer that buys 10, 20, 30 units is less than this product for them. Anyway, here's our flywheel. As you see, this would have been the correct, and this is down by a certain measurements. So I'll leave it up to you guys. Be aware of bad rebuilds, and Pega clutch is not one of them. Please buy in confident. It's under warranty. Pega clutch for the clutch facings and everything else installation. It's a year. Consumption is up to the customer, how much he consumes it. You can finish it in a day, or sometimes even at 30,000 miles. Thank you for watching, and if you guys have any questions about my product, please don't hesitate to call us. We open from Monday to Friday from 9 to 6. Thank you.